Hello there! In this video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of using Google Workspace as a CRM, transforming it into a powerful tool for managing your customer relationships. As entrepreneurs or business managers, we're always on the hunt for tools that streamline our operations and improve efficiency. Google Workspace, well known for its comprehensive suite of online productivity and collaboration tools, can be creatively adapted into an effective customer relationship management (CRM) system. Let's explore how you can leverage its features to enhance your CRM strategy. First and foremost, head over to the Google Workspace homepage. This is your starting point for revolutionizing how you manage customer interactions. Once you arrive, you'll be greeted by a multitude of services that Google Workspace offers. Click on your account to proceed, a simple yet essential step that ensures all changes and additions you make are personalized and saved correctly under your profile. Remember, security is paramount, so when prompted, carefully enter your password to protect not only your data, but also your valuable customer information. After entering your password, click Next to delve deeper into the administrative core of Google Workspace. Here is where the magic begins as you set up your CRM. Look for the menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Step 1. Install the Streak CRM extension. Go to the Marketplace or Web Store. Search for Streak CRM for Gmail and click Add to Chrome. Once installed, refresh Gmail, and you'll notice Streak icons and menus appear inside your inbox. This works seamlessly on both free Gmail accounts and Google Workspace. Step 2. Create or choose a pipeline. Click on the Streak orange icon on the top toolbar. Then, click New Pipeline. You can choose a built-in template like Sales, Support, Hiring, Real Estate, Project Management. Each pipeline works like a custom table or Kanban board, with columns and stages you can rename, like New Lead, Contacted, Follow-up, Closed. You can track emails, update lead status, and view notes without leaving Gmail. Step 3. Add emails to the pipeline. Whenever you open an email, you'll see an Add to Pipeline button on the right side. Click it and assign that contact or thread to a stage in your pipeline. Now you can track when someone opens your email, set reminders to follow up, add notes, tasks, or tags. Share the pipeline with your team. Copper is designed to work natively with Google, so setup is super fast. Install the Copper Chrome extension. Now head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Copper CRM, and click Add to Chrome. Refresh Gmail, and you'll see Copper's sidebar appear automatically inside your inbox. This is where the magic happens. All CRM tools stay inside Gmail. Step 3. Use CRM directly in Gmail. When you open an email, Copper automatically shows contact in, company details, deal stages, tasks, notes, and tags. You can create leads, track opportunities, and assign follow-ups without leaving Gmail. Step 4. Manage pipelines and leads. Click the Copper icon from the top toolbar to open your pipelines. You'll see your sales stages like New Lead, Qualified, Proposal Sent, Negotiation, Won or Lost. Drag and drop deals between stages, update notes, and set reminders. It's all synced with your Google Contacts and Calendar. Step 5. Use automation and reports. Copper can log emails and calls automatically. Congratulations! You've just made a significant leap in utilizing Google Workspace as a CRM system. Remember, the key to effectively using any tool, including Google Workspace as a CRM, lies in regular maintenance and updates. Keep your contacts organized, ensure information is current, and leverage this powerful suite of tools to boost your customer relationship management strategy. Thank you for joining me on this journey to transform how you manage your business relationships through Google Workspace. Here's to building and maintaining stronger, more effective customer connections.